So, what tour of the medieval plants of Pontefract would be complete without a quick look at our most famous plant of all, which is this little chappy here. That's why I'm bent down on the floor. He's really quite small at this time of year. And this is a licorice plant. The main part of the plant, if I bring you in a bit closer so you can see the plant rather than me, is the root. That's what we're looking to harvest. And these are the leaves. You can see from the leaves it looks a little bit like the leaves of pea. That's because it's from that family. It dies down completely to the ground at winter, and it is only just starting to come up. It's one of the latest plants of the year to come up in the garden. This plant's quite a few years old now. It's given to me as a root cutting, which is the easiest way to propagate it. You can grow them from seed. I'll show you in a minute one that I grew from seed last year, and you'll see how much smaller the plant is. It's quite easy to grow. It's not so easy to get from seed, but once you've got it, it's quite easy, especially in Pontefract. What it really likes is well-draining sandy soil, and that's what we've got lots of in Pontefract. This plant, if it grows like it did last year, will get up to 2 to 3 foot tall, and if we're really lucky, if we have a hot summer, which we've had a very hot spring so far, it will have some pale pinky purple flowers on it, and this one has flowered once before, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we might be due for some of those. Okay, we'll have a quick walk around the garden now, and I'll try and find the seedling that I grew last year. So here we have it. There's 2 plants there, and they are the seedlings that I grew last year. They've done actually slightly better than I thought they might have done, but you can see they're still quite a lot smaller. The root on this one being here, you can see it's thinner than my finger, whereas the other one was thicker than my thumb. And so there we have it, licorice grown from seed here in Pontefract. And it was a really critical crop for medieval Pontefract, probably brought here by the monks, and it's often thought to have been brought to this country by the monks, which is why it often gets the name Spanish, because it's Spanish monks that probably brought it in the first place. It's obviously famous for use in the Pontefract cakes, and with links to Pontefract, the Dunhills family and the Dunhill factory. And it's a really interesting looking plant.